Introduction. In the rapidly evolving landscape of the 21st century, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping industries, economies, and the very nature of work. As AI continues to advance, it brings forth both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is its impact on employment. Will AI render human jobs obsolete, or will it create new avenues for growth and innovation? This comprehensive exploration delves into the multifaceted relationship between AI and the workforce. We will examine the historical context of technological advancements, analyze current trends in AI integration across various sectors, and discuss strategies individuals and organizations can adopt to thrive in this new era. Through real-life stories and expert insights, we aim to provide a nuanced understanding of how to navigate the challenges and harness the opportunities presented by AI. Chapter 1. The Evolution of Work and Technology. 1.1. A brief history of technological disruptions. Throughout history, technological innovations have consistently transformed the nature of work. From the Industrial Revolution's mechanization of labor to the digital age's automation of information processes, each era has witnessed shifts that rendered certain jobs obsolete while creating new ones. For instance, the advent of personal computers in the late 20th century revolutionized industries, leading to the decline of typewriter manufacturing, but giving rise to software development and IT services. 1.2. The Rise of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, once a concept confined to science fiction, has become a tangible reality. AI encompasses machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and more, enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. From virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced data analytics in healthcare, AI's applications are vast and continually expanding. Chapter 2. AI's Impact on Various Industries. 2.1. Manufacturing and Automation. The manufacturing sector has been at the forefront of automation. Robots now handle tasks ranging from assembly line operations to quality control, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. However, this shift has led to a decline in demand for manual labor, prompting concerns about job displacement. 2.2. Healthcare and Healthcare. AI assists in diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and administrative tasks. For example, AI algorithms can analyze medical images faster and with comparable accuracy to human radiologists. While this augments healthcare delivery, it also raises questions about the future roles of certain medical professionals. 2.3. Finance. The financial industry leverages AI for fraud detection, risk assessment, and customer service through chatbots. Automated trading systems can execute transactions in milliseconds, outperforming human traders. This efficiency, however, may lead to reduced employment in traditional banking roles. 2.4. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are set to revolutionize transportation. Self-driving cars and trucks promise increased safety and efficiency, but pose a threat to jobs in driving professions. Chapter 3. The Current Job Market Landscape. 3.1. Employment Trends. As of 2025, the job market exhibits robust wage growth, nearly full employment, and heightened demand for technology, akin to the 1990s dot-com boom. However, the rise of AI is contributing to a decline in certain job sectors. For instance, openings for software engineers in the U.S. have drastically decreased by over 1/3 compared to 5 years ago. 3.2. Case Study. The IRS Layoffs. In March 2025, the Trump administration announced the layoff of approximately 6,700 IRS employees, representing about 8% of the agency's workforce. This reduction, influenced by the integration of AI and automation, highlights the technology's impact on public sector employment. Chapter 4, Strategies to Stay Relevant in the Age of AI. 4.1, Embracing Lifelong Learning. Continuous education is crucial. Individuals must proactively acquire new skills and adapt to technological advancements to remain competitive in the evolving job market. 4.2, Developing Soft Skills. While AI excels at technical tasks, human-centric skills such as emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking remain invaluable. Cultivating these abilities can provide a competitive edge. 4.3, Exploring New Career Paths. As AI automates routine tasks, new professions centered around AI oversight, ethics, and collaboration between humans and machines are emerging. Exploring these avenues can open up fresh opportunities. Chapter 5, Organizational Adaptation to AI. 5.1, Reskilling and Upskilling Initiatives. Companies investing in employee development programs can transition their workforce into roles that complement AI technologies, fostering growth and innovation. 5.2, Ethical Considerations. Implementing AI responsibly involves addressing biases, ensuring transparency, and prioritizing the well-being of employees. Organizations must navigate these ethical challenges thoughtfully. Chapter 6, Real-Life Story, Navigating Career Transition. 6.1, John's Journey from Manufacturing to Tech Support. John, a factory worker for over 2 decades, faced job displacement due to automation. Through reskilling programs, he transitioned into a tech support role, exemplifying adaptability and resilience. Conclusion: the integration of AI into the workforce is an inevitable progression. While it presents challenges, it also offers opportunities for innovation and growth. By embracing change, investing in continuous learning, and developing uniquely human skills, individuals and organizations can thrive in this new era. Call to action: stay informed and proactive in your career development. Engage with educational resources, participate in discussions about AI ethics, and support policies that promote equitable growth in the age of automation.